I am Dr. Giovanni Chetta, and I'm here to talk about postural analysis. Posture studies have become more and more important in a society that forces us to live in unnatural environments, like the artificial surfaces where we spend the whole day on, with forced lifestyle, chronic stress, sedentariness. They all alter our posture with the result of weakening our physical, psycho health as well as our beauty. While researches are advancing, more and more we realize that posture is involved in many musculoskeletal and organic problems. Today's human body is the result of the primary need to execute the maximum result, walking on 2 feet in the gravitational field on natural ground. Humans need to move in order to survive and to preserve their health. That's why human-specific motion represents the most complex natural activity, and it comes before all the others, intellectual activities included. The static is actually a particular case of walking. It all happens thanks to a tensegrity structure, walking as an helix or vortex, in which at a macroscopic level, bones are the rigid axes, the bars, while the myofascial system constitutes the flexible components, the cables. The human spiral of the cybernetic human system transfers itself from the transversal plane to the frontal one at the podalic level, enabling deambulation. Posture, and therefore postural analysis, need to be considered as a dynamic concept other than static. Function precedes and molds the structure. During the postural exam, we therefore need to analyze the mobility and the control of the articular hinges that represent the joints of the human vortex. Podalic and occlusal support are most certainly the 2 crucial standards concerning posture. In addition to the visual inspection, the use of advanced technologies for scientific measurements allows to precisely determine the results obtained with the T-body walk method, as well as to measure and compare them over time. Static and dynamic baropodometry, for example, allows to verify the center of mass-weight distribution, while the stabilometry analyzes the corporal oscillations during static. The phometric system performs a morphologic 3-dimensional analysis in static and dynamic, providing valuable anthropometric measurements. All these exams do not cause any side effect, therefore are highly valued both to plan a specific postural re-education schedule as well as to verify its progress. Meanwhile, it's possible, for example, to analyze the effectiveness of possible ergonomic supports, such as insoles, shoes or occlusal splints. Postural analysis then represents an important part of the T-body walk method in the curative, preventive and performance or competitive areas of interest.